they raising hound. There was a rumor sweeping the place. My gosh, what a big disgrace. A story of two women in love, locked in a love embrace. I tell you, them a woman no want no man. Them a woman no want no man. What a thing, what a thing, what a thing on the land. Them a woman no want no man. Me used to live in a country hut, used to eat out a country pot. From me eye there and me knee, me granny tell me, say 2-pot cover can't shut. So me no know what the fuss is about. Up to now me still have me doubt. There is no if nor but 2-pot cover can't shut. So how did they work it out? I tell you, then a woman no want no man. Then a woman no want no man. What a thing, what a thing, what a thing on the land. Then a woman no want no man. Woman out the road like dirt, dress up in a pants and shirt. And everything man do, they won't do it too. Never put them man out of work. Man don't have no reason to smile, cause the whole of the love life spoil. When you find say the woman, I love another woman, the man soon gone out of style. Then a woman no want no man. Then a woman no want no man. What a thing, what a thing, what a thing on the land. Then a woman no want no man. I tell you, then a woman no want no man. Then a woman no want no man. What a thing, what a thing, what a thing on the land. Then a woman no want no man. No, dwell hear me man. Some of the woman I get out of hand. While walking down the street, I met a woman, she really looks sweet. I said, girl, I love you to death. Give me the walk and you won't have to fret. Don't play hard to get, cause when I love you, you spin like cassette. I have money and I have good taste, and tree not growing on me face. And I am willing just in case you want someone to wind up your waist. Darling, let me be your lover, and I will meet you undercover. She said, I know that's your vital zone, but right now you dip on your own. I said, I wanna make love to you. She said, that's one thing you'll never do. I said, tell me what's wrong with me. I am a total man, can't you see? She said, I can tell you are a real man, but I am a different kind of woman. I said, girl, I'm looking a wife. She said, man, come out of my life. There was nothing that I could do, cause this woman a look wife too. She said, man is like old tire, but when she see a woman, her skin catch a fire. I said, girl, you surprised me. I never know you were girly, girly. I realized she didn't want me. She wants someone who wear panty. I can't understand some of the woman I get out of hand.